Unibodies and space frames used on today's vehicles are designed to absorb collision forces and control their effect on the passenger compartment. But this type of construction has created many collision repair challenges. In slow motion, you can see how the crush zones in the front rail collapse to absorb the collision energy. Watch how the A-pillar transfers energy to the top of the door and how the roof buckles. There's a lot of movement throughout the vehicle because of flexibility of the unibody design. The vehicle absorbs the impact in its crush zones located in the front and rear rails and allows collision forces to flow around the passenger compartment to the other end of the vehicle. In this test, note how the quarter panel buckles after the front end has hit the barrier. This is because the rear of the body is still moving even though the front is stopped. Damage has occurred in an area of the vehicle away from the point of direct impact. This is called indirect damage. Watch these vehicles absorb collision energy in a controlled fashion, absorbing much of the collision force. Notice that the hoods are designed not to enter the passenger compartment. In this overhead view, you can see why the windshield is considered an important structural part of the vehicle. The windshield pillars flex while the windshield stays in place. From underneath, we can see how many of the parts move. This is one of the reasons it is so important to get the vehicle up in the air during damage analysis. Vehicles must also manage collision energy forces during side impacts. Side impact testing has led to the development of the vehicle design improvements, such as door intrusion beams and foam inserts. Today, collision energy management is also no longer limited to unibody and space frame designed vehicles. Sport utility vehicles and trucks are becoming increasingly popular, so body-over-frame vehicles are also being designed with crush zones built into their frames. These energy-absorbing frames provide new challenges for the collision repair industry. As you can see, the way a vehicle manages collision energy is no accident. As professionals, it is the responsibility of all of us to keep up to date on changing repair procedures that will maintain the original design and safety that was designed into the vehicle.